To be honest with you, a lot of the newer generation Nailtech, y'all got it way easier than the old school nail technician. And don't get butthurt when I say that, you entitlement people. Let me tell you something. Back in the day when we starting out doing acrylic application, we were taught to use a size 18. If you don't use a size 18 brush, you ain't a cool or fast nail technician. Nowadays, y'all can use any type of size and nobody judges you. And back in the day, any type of shaping, coffin, stiletto, that's all handcraft. Nowadays, y'all got the pre-shaping tips that does it all for you. See how lucky y'all got it? And when we starting out, we have to do all type of service tips to get our feet wet. Y'all, y'all pick and choose what service y'all want to do. And some of y'all don't even do soak off or your own fill. I don't get that. And in the moment we want to learn how to do some kind of craft, we have to sit there all day, every week, have to learn it and practice it. Y'all go on YouTube University, y'all watch a couple of videos, y'all call yourself a nail tech, and y'all decide not to get a license just because y'all know how to do the craft. For real. And the worst part is that some of y'all don't even last long. Y'all go to school, spend thousands of dollars, and y'all give yourself 6 months to a year. Some of us nail tech, you gonna sell 5 to 10 years, and we still learning, y'all. So make sure y'all hold on to what y'all got is good, so that you can set yourself up a good career, y'all.